Hi, welcome to XMPie. In the previous video, we created the 3D model, die line, sample artwork and thumbnail to set up a simple box product in UStore. The next step is to create a dynamic InDesign document that will take the artwork uploaded by the customer and create a PNG proof that UStore will wrap around the 3D model to create the on-screen preview of the finished product. The InDesign document has to be the exact same size as our die line. So first, refer to the Illustrator file and double-click the Artboard tool to get the required document size. If you used other software to create the die line PDF, you can also get the required document size with Acrobat by positioning the cursor in the lower left-hand corner. Create a new InDesign document with that size. Use the uCreate print panel to link to a counter. We only need one record. Now set the Assets folder. I will create a new folder called Assets, and then select this new empty folder. Then copy the artwork PDF file into the Assets folder. This will ensure that when we upload to the UProduce server, we only upload this one asset and not all of the other files in this folder. Back in InDesign, create a new content object. This will be for the customer's artwork that they upload into UStore, so give it a relevant name. Set the type to graphic and make sure to check the campaign dial box. Now select Browse and select the default artwork PDF that we created in the previous video and just copied into the Assets folder. Create a new graphic frame that is the same size as the page. Oops, it needs to be exactly the page size. Double-click the graphic content object to insert it into the graphic frame. Right-click on the graphic and select Dynamic Graphic Properties. Select to fit proportionally and centered. And it is important to set the PDF crop options to use the media box so that the die line will not be cropped and scaled incorrectly. That's all that is needed for this simple box, but we will look at adding other Adore objects to insert dynamic text and controlling other packaging design features in later videos in this series. Now we need to get the document to the UProduce server. You can use the uCreate connectivity feature to save to XMPie server if you have a license for that. Alternatively, you can export a campaign package, which is what I will do. First, we save the InDesign document. Then we select the name and type of package to export. I will export a campaign package, which will export the InDesign document, assets, fonts, and plan. You can also select to export a Slim campaign package if your server supports only Slim. Now go to your UProduce dashboard, select an account to hold the campaign, and select to upload the campaign package you just created. Before we can add the product to our store, we need to proof and process the document, same as we do for any dynamic document. The proof job must be set to PNG. Also, I prefer to increase the resolution so the result is not too pixelated. And we only need one proof. The process job will set the properties used for the final output, so you can select PDF or other output formats for your specific press. Go to the Job Center and check that the proof and process jobs process successfully. Good. In the next video, we will use UStore Admin to add the 3D box product to our store. Hi, welcome to XMPie. In the previous video, we created the 3D